used before.
Hey, Simone.
It was alright. I had it on.
So how's the trip so far? So how's the trip so far? I'm serious. So how's the trip so far?
Cool. Look at the window.
Where are we right now?
I don't know. Let me see if it's...
No, back up. Close the blinds. Have you...
Okay.
I'm gonna show this.
Who goes like that? Amber.
I'm gonna show this to Amber.
That's no funny.
Hear that, Amber? You're gonna get smell on you.
No, because it's a roller coaster for sure. Okay, alright, okay.
I'm gonna show this to Sean. Okay, so, Simone,
Yeah.
what did you have for lunch?
I had some chicken wings. I had chicken wings because they're good for me.
What have you been doing on this ride?
I've been sleeping, and it's fun, and fun, and fun.
Well, we got two around the rides. Simone here, you rode the thing called the Steel Eel, right?
No, it hooked to her.
I've got proof.
No, she doesn't. I'm sorry. You have to see this. America. We rode the steel. Today's okay, here's a picture.
We were on the Steel Eel. We were on this thing called Steel Eel. And
I explained it.
Every time you go down, they take a picture of you. This is a picture of Simone. Look at her, she's right there. Zoom in, Simone. How? Hold it.
Oh, I got it. I know how.
Hold it.
Okay.
Turn it around.
I don't know.
Turn around. That.
Yeah,
You see her face? I'll replay that for her.
And let's look at Camille. Let's see. Shamu movie.
Okay. Is it over? It's going to be.
Look at my nose.
Stop. Nobody wants to look at your nose.
Nobody wants to look at
Okay.
your face.
Tell them about the surprise.
Well, we were going back on the bus when my stepdaddy, Ryan, said, do you want to ride the ride? I said, sure. I want to ride during the pool line toys,
Stop talking like that.
We took a ride, and it was such a surprise at SeaWorld, because we were supposed to go home on the bus. So we spent another day at SeaWorld and stayed at a hotel called Hampton. And we had to walk to the train station and we got on the train, and here's the train. Back to me.